Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Now that we've covered what CES is and how it's measured, let's step back and ask a bigger question. Why does customer effort score matter so much in a call center? The answer lies in three dimensions. First, customer loyalty. The easier it is for a customer to get their problem solved, the more likely they are to stay, repurchase, and recommend the brand. In fact, low effort is one of the strongest predictors of long-term loyalty. Second, operational efficiency. CES highlights exactly where friction exists, whether it's in processes, systems, or training. Reducing that friction means fewer repeat calls, shorter handling times, and smoother resolutions, which translates into more efficient operations. And third, financial impact. Lower customer effort directly reduces churn, increases retention, and even drives upsell and referral revenue. In short, every point of improvement in CES doesn't just make customers happier, it also protects and grows the bottom line. So, CES isn't just another metric. It's a powerful lens that connects customer experience, operational excellence, and financial success in one simple score. Let's begin with one of the most powerful reasons why customer effort score is so important. It's a strong predictor of customer loyalty. Research consistently shows that lower effort leads directly to higher loyalty. When customers find it easy to get their issues resolved, they're far more likely to stay with the brand. On the other hand, every additional hurdle, whether it's repeating information, waiting in long queues, or being transferred multiple times, chips away at loyalty and increases the risk of churn. In fact, CES has been found to be an even stronger predictor of retention than traditional metrics like CSAT or even NPS. While CSAT captures short-term satisfaction and NPS reflects long-term advocacy, CES pinpoints the day-to-day friction points that actually drive customers to leave or stay. Here's a striking example. Studies reveal that customers who rated their service experience as easy are 94% more likely to repurchase compared to only 4% of those who rated it difficult. This highlights why CES is not just about convenience, it's about securing long-term loyalty and protecting future revenue. Another reason why customer effort score matters is its direct impact on the overall customer experience. Quite simply, low effort equals happy customers. When customers don't have to repeat their information, when they can reach the right agent quickly, and when their issues are resolved without unnecessary delays, their satisfaction and trust in the brand increase dramatically. At the same time, reducing effort also means fewer escalations and fewer complaints. Every smooth, effortless interaction lowers frustration, reduces negative feedback, and prevents customers from becoming detractors. In short, CES is more than a measurement tool, it's a clear reflection of how customers feel during their journey. A low-effort experience builds confidence, strengthens relationships, and drives a more positive perception of the call center and the brand as a whole. Customer effort score doesn't just impact loyalty and experience, it also drives operational efficiency inside the call center. The first major gain comes from lower repeat calls. When customers get their issues resolved easily the first time, they don't need to call back to clarify information. This directly reduces call volume, freeing up agents to focus on new or more complex cases. The second gain is better first call resolution, or FCR. High CES scores usually go hand in hand with quicker, cleaner resolutions. Agents spend less time transferring customers between departments, and customers spend less time waiting. The result is not only more efficient operations but also a smoother, more cost-effective workflow. So, by lowering effort, CES creates a win-win. Customers get faster answers, and the organization benefits from reduced workloads, fewer escalations, and improved productivity across the board. Another powerful benefit of Customer Effort Score is the insight it provides into workforce performance and training needs. At the agent level, CES analysis helps us see which agents or teams are consistently delivering effortless experiences and which ones may be creating friction for customers. This level of visibility makes it much easier for leaders to recognize top performers and to intervene early where extra support is required. Equally important, CES serves as a tool for skill gap identification. If customers consistently report high effort for certain issue types, channels, or teams, it often points to areas where additional training, better resources, or even process redesign is needed. By using CES in this way, organizations can go beyond just measuring customer experience. They can actively use it to coach agents, refine training programs, and build a culture focused on effortless service delivery. Let's look at the financial and strategic impact of Customer Effort Score. The first impact is on retention and revenue. When effort is low, loyalty goes up. Customers stay longer, renew services, and repurchase more often. This translates directly into higher customer lifetime value, or CLV, meaning every customer generates more revenue over the course of their relationship with the company. The second impact is on cost reduction. Fewer repeat calls, fewer escalations, and fewer complaints all add up to significant savings in operational costs. Agents spend less time firefighting and more time delivering quality service, while the organization saves on labor and overhead expenses. In short, a lower CES doesn't just make customers happier, it strengthens the business by protecting revenue, reducing costs, and aligning customer experience with long-term strategy. Lastly, let's focus on how Customer Effort Score influences competitive advantage and brand reputation. In today's crowded markets, a frictionless experience is a powerful differentiator. Many companies offer similar products or services, but the ones that make it effortless for customers to get help, resolve issues, and move forward are the ones that stand out. CES becomes a signal to customers that your brand values their time and makes things simple. The second dimension is positive word of mouth. When customers experience low effort, they're far more likely to become promoters, the kind of advocates who share their good experiences with friends, family, and even on public platforms like social media or review sites. This organic advocacy not only builds trust but also strengthens brand reputation without additional marketing spend. So, by driving effort down, CES not only improves internal efficiency but also becomes a strategic advantage, one that builds loyalty, boosts advocacy, and creates lasting brand equity. One of the most valuable aspects of Customer Effort Score is how it links with other key call center metrics. When CES is high, meaning customers find their interactions effortless, it almost always translates into higher CSAT and higher NPS. That's because reducing effort doesn't just resolve the issue at hand, it improves the customer's overall perception of service quality and strengthens their long-term loyalty. At the same time, high CES is closely tied to lower average handle time and fewer call transfers. When processes are simple and customers don't face unnecessary friction, calls are shorter, smoother, and less likely to bounce between departments. This creates efficiency for the organization and a far better experience for the customer. In short, CES acts as a connector metric, one that not only reflects the customer's journey but also reinforces and improves the other KPIs that matter most to call center performance. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.